ElevenLabs is one of the best AI voice generators specifically made for content creators. It specialises in generating speech that actually sounds human, rather than a robot reading a phone book. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to sign up to ElevenLabs, how to generate super realistic AI voices for your specific use cases, and also how to clone your own voice. To sign up to ElevenLabs, you simply need to go to ElevenLabs.io or click the first link in the description, then click sign up in the top right. From here, you can sign up using Gmail or an email address. You will automatically be on the free version of ElevenLabs, which does have its limitations. If we click on our profile in the top right, then click upgrade, you'll see that on the free plan you only get 10k credits per month, which equates to roughly 10 minutes worth of voice generation, and you don't get a commercial license, which means you can't publish the voices you create. For just $6 per month, you get 3 times the number of credits and have the ability to use your AI voices freely with the starter plan. Moving on, once signed up, you will have a tab on the left with everything ElevenLabs can do. We're going to focus on the few features that actually matter, starting with text-to-speech. On the left side of this page, we're going to type exactly what we would like to turn into lifelike speech. Now, to the right, under voice, we have a variety of different voices that we can choose from. We can filter at the top by language, accent, category, gender and age. So as you can see, I've filtered for an English, Australian, conversational, male, middle-aged voice. Now we can preview the different options at the bottom by clicking the play button like this.
Your life becomes the direct reflection of the expectation of your peer group.
Romance is the glamour which turns the dust of everyday life into a golden haze.
Select the voice that you like. Now you can choose the stability of the voice generation, which in simple terms means how creative or non-creative you want ElevenLabs to be with your voice. There are 3 levels to this: creative, natural and robust. I'm going to keep it natural. Now we can hit generate speech. It has come back with 2 voice generations which we can pick from. Here is what generation 1 sounds like.
Picture this. You sit down to record a voiceover, stare at the microphone, and just freeze. We've all been there. But now, you just type what you want to say, and it sounds like you've been doing this for years. Wild.
To further enhance the voice, we can add audio tags to the different parts of the text to change the tone based on what is being said. For example, after picture this, in square brackets, I'm going to put size. Then I'm going to add a few more audio tags throughout. Quick thing to note, audio tags only work on version 3, which you can see and change here. Now we're going to hit generate again. Here is what it sounds like now.
Picture this. You sit down to record a voiceover, stare at the microphone, and just freeze. We've all been there. But now, you just type what you want to say, and it sounds like you've been doing this for years. Wild.
Moving on, if we go to voices at the top, this will bring us to the voice library where you can browse through a variety of different voices that are being created by other ElevenLabs creators. Here at the top we can see an overview of the trending voices. Also at the top we can filter for a specific use case. Scrolling down we can see an overview of iconic voices such as Peppa Pig and Stan Lee. You can click explore to see the full list. If we would like to use any other voices that we like, click the 3 dots on the voice and select Copy Voice ID. Now if we go back to Text to Speech on the voice selection, we can paste the voice ID and it will appear. Moving on to the part you've been waiting for, ElevenLabs voice cloning. Click the button in the top right that says Create Voice, then select Instant Voice Cloning. From here we need to provide a minimum of 20 seconds voice sample, but the longer the better. For this I'm going to read out one of my previous YouTube video scripts. I'm going to select Record Audio, then choose the microphone that I want to use, then click Start. Now we can start speaking. I'll be back once I've read the first paragraph. I've now done the first recording, which is enough to create a voice clone. We should ideally provide more recordings to fill this green circle out at the bottom, so we can get the best results possible. I'll be back in a minute. I've now managed to get this green circle 3/4 full with 7 voice recordings or 2 minutes and 14 seconds of audio, so now I'm going to hit next. Then I'm going to give the voice a name and description, check this box and click Save Voice. We have a few options here to test out our voice, but I'm going to hit skip. Now if we go back to text to speech, then go to voice and my voices, we can see the one that we have just created. and can preview it like so.
Nature's landscapes dance with colours and whispers in the breeze.
If you select this, then click Generate Speech. Here is what it sounds like.
Picture this. You sit down to record a voiceover, stare at the microphone and just freeze. We've all been there. But now, you just type what you want to say, and it sounds like you've been doing this for years. Wild.
Click the first link in the description to sign up to ElevenLabs AI. We hope you found this beginner's tutorial useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.